Servo, and today I would like to introduce a project that combines sensor technology, automation, and practical an automatic rain detector and clothes collector. So I'm going to explain how it works. So when the water sensor detects some rain, it sends signal to the microcontroller and processes data and activates the motor. So the motor then reacts and it will bring the line of clothes to a safe and dry place. So this is how it works. So as you can see, if I put a drop of water, the clothes will go to a safe and dry place, and if I remove this like this, they will go back there.